What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Trading Wars. Thanks for joining me today, my friends. I hope you're having a wonderful day. Sorry, I'm just a little bit late. Let's go ahead and get this out. Let everybody know we are ready and we are live. Guys, it was actually an insane day, guys. We caught the high of the day and shorted SPY using the pre-market fib. It was absolutely crazy. Come learn the pre-market fib. Learn and earn. Oh, boom, drop that in, bang. And let me just go ahead and let everybody know in the Discord we're live as well. And then my echo a little bit here, guys, so give me a second here. I feel like I'm having some issues with this internet here, but hopefully it's not too bad. I feel like I'm having some issues. All right, here we go. Let's go right here. SPY VIP live now. Let's go. Boom. All right, guys, ready, set, let's go. Who do we have in the building today? Hit me with a 1 if you can hear me okay. Who do we have? Anybody here today? Thanks for coming out, guys. Again, today we were able to catch the high of the day. We shorted SPY exactly at the high and brought it right down. And I'm going to show you step by step what we did in order to do that today, guys. It was actually just a masterpiece, okay? And if we go back here to the analysis we were doing yesterday, we could see that again, guys, go back to the weekly. We are still in this range. We have not broke out of last week's range yet. And today was absolutely insane because coming into the pre-market, we just started selling and selling and selling. And then we took that short during the day, guys, right over here. We took that short and it was absolutely beautiful, okay? So let me walk you through how I'm using the fibs, the pre-market and everything to get everything set up, okay? So let's go ahead here. Let me walk you through. So if you look at this regular chart, this is SPY. This is the price action for the day, okay? So we came in here, we came all the way up here, and we dropped right down, all right? So this was our activity, rally, and sell-off. So how can we know when to short, all right? Let's go ahead and let's walk through that. So first thing is I'm going to go to my Fibonacci channel. So every day in the morning, right, we have our fibs, okay? So we have our high and we have our low. Right? So right here, this was our pre-market plan. So let's go ahead and let's draw it up together. So we every day coming into the open, I want to see the price action. I want to see what's going on. Okay. So right here, I'm going to go back to futures and we're going to go back and you could see this right here, guys, this right here. Let's go to the 15-minute chart. So it's just clear, a little bit clearer for you guys to see. Okay. Okay. So coming in, so this is the open today. Okay. So we open down here. Let's put a box there. So coming into the open, we had a high point right here, 41.6850. So I go ahead and I mark that high. Okay. And then we're going to take it down to the low. And we're just going to use the 618. That's the only one I want you guys to focus on. Okay. So there's our low. So our high was established at 3 in the morning. Okay. And the low right here was established at 9:30 a.m. So that's the first candle of the day. So what direction are we going? Going into the open, we had all of this. What is this? Bearish or bullish? Hit me with the 1 for bearish. Hit me with the 2 for bullish. So starting, guys, from 3 a.m., we put in, what pattern is this? This is one of our powerful Trading Wars patterns. This is the holy grail. And that's why I always tell you guys, make sure you have the free indicators. You guys be sleeping sometimes on these indicators. Here, take the indicators right now. I'm going to throw it in the chat. Add these indicators to your chart, guys. Hit me with a like and subscribe real quick. All right, check this out. We had our holy grail, which is a nice reversal pattern. We sold off. So we had this bearish activity coming into the day. All right, I'm going to switch back over to the 5 now so you guys can see. Okay, so here's our bearish activity coming into the day. Here's our bearish activity. So, and what I'm going to do here is I'm also going to look at SPY. So I'm going to teach you guys. Okay, so SPY starts. This is 9:30. We start rallying. Boom. We're rallying. Okay. So the morning we go sideways, we rally. This is around noon. And after we make this high right here at 12:45, guys, we sell off. So we even did like a little double top where we touched that level twice. But the question is, this is the question. Why do we sell off right here? Why? Why does the market sell off right there? Why? I'm going to ask you guys, tell me what you think. Let's brainstorm together. Why does the market sell off right there? Why? Why is this the high of the day? Why is this the high of the day? Give me some of your ideas. Okay, because I wanna really just show you what I'm trying to teach here. So we're rallying, right? Look at that. In the morning, this is how, oh yeah, we're going higher. Oh my God, the bulls are here. The bulls, we're strong, we're powerful. We'll go higher and higher and higher. And then guess what? We sell off. Why? Why do we do that? Check this out. So now when you're looking at the regular trading hours, guys, you don't see the picture coming into the morning. You don't see all of this selling that was happening in the morning. There was an algo, there was a market maker, there was somebody that was selling at 3 a.m., right? So now here's our 9:30 right here, okay? Let's continue now. Let's play the price action. So we're rallying. Same thing we saw in the regular trading hours. Let me project this to the right. Here we go. Here we go. We go. Boom, 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 boom. Right? We're waiting. Okay. 12:30, 12:35, 12:45. So that is exactly what we're looking at right here. Check this out, guys. Wait a second. This is sitting on the 618. This is sitting on the 618 of this move. You kidding me? Hold on. Let's retest it one more time. Let's show how strong that 618 is. One more time. And then there she goes. See that, guys? That was just such an amazing trade, because if you look at the regular trading hours, you don't see all the selling that happened at 3 a.m. So we waited here, guys, during our trading. You could see right here. So at 9:34 Pacific, that's 12:34 Eastern, we went short. And this is how the chart looked at the time. It looked scary, right? It looked really scary because everything looks green. We're rallying. Oh, it's green, right? That's right here. It's rallying. It's green. You're like, oh, well, maybe it's bullish. But no. Other clues, guys. Look at the selling that happened in the pre-market. Look at the selling that happened in the pre-market. So we went short there, guys. Trend is powerful today. We'll definitely have to be patient and see how this pre-market fib plays out. Even when we take the trade, we're saying, hey, you know what? It might be wrong, right? And then right after that, guys, there's where the selling comes in. Boom. Beautiful, guys. Absolutely beautiful. So how does it work from an options perspective? Okay. Well, in this rally, while we're going up, are the puts premium going to be more expensive or less expensive? So as we rally here, the puts are going to get cheaper. So when we short up here, guys, that's when we can make 3, 4, 5, 600%. Okay. Those are the plays you need to look for. That's why it's beautiful to use these pre-market fibs to gain an understanding. Okay. So let me clarify some things about my views on trading. So yes, definitely there's always, any single day of the week, if the market goes up or it goes down, you can go on the internet and find something about news. Okay. The market could go up. It could say, oh, blah, blah, blah. These investors think this, investing think this, blah, blah, blah. If it goes down, oh, the world is coming to an end. Any single day in the market, there's news. It doesn't matter. If you look hard enough, you'll find news. We don't care. Let me repeat that. We don't care about the news. We trade the price action. From 3 a.m., we sold off. It could be because of Joe, Flo, Mo. It could be about anybody. It doesn't matter. When we see the selling, we know, okay, some large player sold in the morning, and this rally, they will try to fade. Why? Because they're getting a deal, 61.8% discount on this move down. Okay. The professional traders, they're not shorting down here. They're waiting. Give me the pullback. No matter. So what my point is this. The only thing that's the truth is price. Because you'll also see, like the other day, companies will have good earnings, but still sell off because the market itself is selling off, right? And we've seen that. So what you need to do, guys, is don't get yourself caught up with the news and this and that and that. Yes, you need to know when key events are happening. I agree, because you know the volatility is going to increase. But what you need to do is read the price action. This is a bearish push down. Here's our pullback. We're going to try a short here because we're going to get puts for cheap. Our maximum stop loss is the high right up here. This is our maximum stop loss right there. And we're going for a nice sell-off and break to a new low. And you can see after hours, we're continuing to make newer lows. Hit me with a 10 if that makes sense. That's all my point is. Okay. You can always go back to the chart and say, well, that was because of that. And that was because this person got married. And you know what? That's because this person tweeted. You can always do that. But in reality, in real time, you have to trade the price action on the chart itself. And that's what we're trying to do. Leave the bias at the door and trade. Okay, we had a sell-off. Okay, here's a rally. Oh, we sell. That's just the price action pattern. Okay? Does that make sense? I hope that really does. And that's my philosophy. I used to get caught up in the news, guys. I used to wait for the news to happen and say, this is bullish news, so I'm going to buy options. Okay. And right here, guys, you can see that we went short when the market was rallying, right? And let me ask you this question right now. So you see right now, so we went short. It said right here, 618 filled short. Let me show you something, guys. Let me show you something. Hold on. So my brother, he does a small account challenge. This was his trade from today. So $1,191. Okay. So check out the small account challenge here, guys. We post the broker statements right here as well. Check out these. All right. But right here, you could see, I want to ask you this. Would you short? Okay. Let's not do hindsight here. Let's remove this. This is how it looked at the time. Let's go back here. This is how it looked at the time for us too. So let me remove everything. Okay. When did this message come in? 9:34 Pacific is when we shorted. Okay, so let me go to Eastern. My charts are in Eastern. Right now, I'm on the West Coast. Okay, so right here. Stop right there. Okay, would you short this? Hit me with the 1 if yes, hit me with the 2 if no. And you could see right here. Okay, this is how it looked at the time when we said 618 filled short. Would you short that? Hit me with the 1 if yes, hit me with 2 if no. And I'll tell you why I shorted. I shorted because I get a good deal. I don't care if I'm right or wrong. When I take Fibonacci trades, guys, if I win 1 out of 3 trades, I could still be profitable because I'm always going for the good deal. I'm always going for a cheaper play. So right here, when we shorted right here, we shorted the 618 and we said trend is powerful today. We'll definitely have to be patient to see how this pre-market fib plays out. We know we're taking a risk. We know we are. But if it works, we can make a lot of money. But if it doesn't work, we know where our stop loss is. So even if we take 3 of these trades, if you trade the fibs the right way, if you hit 1 of them, they should cover your other 2 losses. Hit me with the 12 if that makes sense. All right. And that's the whole point of the fib. So the Fibonacci is a system that's built in. It's built-in risk management because you buy low, sell high, you sell low, buy high. Did I say that right? You buy low, you sell high when you're going bullish. And when you're shorting, you sell high and buy low. That's the whole point because it's always doing the opposite of the chart. You have to remember that. The Fibonacci is doing the opposite of the chart. So when the market is rallying like this, we're looking for a short because we're looking at the previous direction, right? So the market's rallying, we're looking for short. The market's going down, we're looking for a buy, okay? That's very important. I want you guys to understand that. So that was our play today, guys. I will say something so you can see this is the update. I will say something right here. It's been really, really, really life-changing using these pre-market fibs. It's been really, really life-changing because it's not always right. Don't get me wrong. It's not always right. You're still going to lose, 30, 40, 50% of your trades depending on the month. And that's where you want to be as a trader, because if you're making $1,000 a trade and losing $200 a trade, then you're doing well, right? Because you only need to win maybe 20, 30% of your trades to actually make a profit. Okay. So you just got to keep understanding and getting better. And what I've noticed this year is a lot of the times there's clues. There's clues in the pre-market that you can't see on the regular trading hours. And that's the whole point of this little seminar here is I just want to show you, even if you don't want to look at the pre-market, just have an idea. Okay, the pre-market is coming in shorting or the pre-market is coming in bullish. And then just use that information to help you make better decisions when you trade. All right. Hit me with 14 if that makes sense. Okay. So right now, for the rest of the week, what I'm looking at, we can go back to this hourly chart right here. And remember, we've been in this box, and right here, that's last week's high right there. Put that in white. And that's last week's low right there. So we're still in the middle, which is kind of shocking. So we opened on Sunday right here. This is where we opened on Sunday, and we're back to the same place. Like, that to me is just crazy. We opened here on Sunday, and we're back here right now. So this is Sunday, and this is where we are. That's crazy. That to me is mind-blowing. What that tells me is if people weren't day trading, they got crushed. Does that make sense? Hit me with the 2 if that makes sense. If people weren't day trading, they would have gotten crushed. Why? Because they might have bought calls or puts at the beginning of the week, but because the market didn't break out, the theta decay, the option decay is killing them. So instead, when that's happening, right, if you come in like we did today and you take puts on when it's already cheap, you're going to make the most money. So you have to understand what's the context. So right now, guys, going back to this weekly chart, I would be shocked if by tomorrow we don't break out. And everything is pointing to the downside right now. I'll be shocked because having a double inside week, the last time we've seen that is in 2000 and I think it's here. When is the last time there was a double inside week? I'm trying to see. Double inside week anywhere? Do you guys see any on your charts? Here, 2018. I mean, I'm not saying it can't happen, but it was extremely rare. So I'm pretty sure, guys. I think tomorrow we're gonna gap down. I think so. I think we probably break this low. That's where all the odds are pointing there. It's not obviously nothing's 100%, but the odds are pointing that we'll probably break this low. And I'm short, so I'll be really happy if we do. I'll be really happy if we break this low. So hopefully we do. No guarantees, obviously, right? Because it looked like earlier in the week, it looked like we were going to break the highs, and we didn't. But what this shows me here is if I draw a fib from this high to low, right? And let me add the 786. See? Wait. Let's see if it's exact. If it's exact right now, I'm going to turn the stream off because I'm sharing too many secrets with you guys. 1 second. If that high is exactly on the 786, I'm going to turn the stream off because they might try to make me close the stream. Okay, so watch this. So this was the algo high, right? You could see it right there with that big long wick. Took it down. The 786 is 4168.75. All right, one tick. All right, you guys are. I'm not gonna turn the stream off. Missed it by 1 tick, right? So whatever algo was trading that 786, they front run it by a few ticks. So if I take a fib, right, I always add a few ticks with myself, but it would have been real nice to show you guys if it actually hit it to the penny. So they added 1 tick to it so they could get filled, right? So you could see, regardless, it's in that Fibonacci zone, 618.786. Here's your outside bar confirmation. So this is your candlestick confirmation. So if you wanted to wait, say, hey, Rich, I don't know if I should short. I don't know. Okay, here's your outside bar. Take your short here, put your stop loss at the high for your protection. That's money. But when did that happen? See, that happens at 3 a.m. You see how they do things when you're sleeping? Hit me with the 7. Do you see how 3 a.m. is when they decide to run that short? Most people are sleeping. That's the thing that fascinates me is, are these just robots? Are these real people or are they just robots? I don't know. I don't know anymore. I think they're probably just robots. And their edge, what is their edge? Their edge is to move the market when you're sleeping. You agree with me? Hit me with the 1. That's what it seems like to me. The edge is for the robots when you're sleeping, when retail is sleeping, to move the markets the way they want to move it. That blows my mind. So even though we shorted today, right? So we shorted over here. So even though we shorted right here, the real short started at 3 a.m. right there. See that, guys? And what can we do? Are we going to just not sleep? The only thing you can do, if you're not going to do a candlestick confirmation, is draw your fib up, have it ready, and then just put the order in. Okay, that's the only thing you can do. Hit me with the 15 if everything makes sense. So we short here, guys, and we still made good money, but really and truly, there's another $10,000 up here. There's another $10,000 up there, right? And that's the thing. It's a mind-blowing thing, guys. This market is not as simple as it looks in terms of, you know what, retail moves the market, this and that. Just like everything else in life, guys, there's some hidden hands. You guys agree with me? There's some hidden hands behind the scenes. Of course there is. This is the economy. This is the SP500, guys. Come on. We gotta wake up. We gotta wake up, and we gotta understand the tools. Here, let me recap. What did we do? Okay, we came in the pre-market. We saw that high. Boom. We saw that low. Bam, bam. Hit the 618. Boom, bang, boom. That's it. One trade. One trade. Keep it simple. Move on. Make your money. Wash and repeat. If it doesn't work, okay, if I take the short here and it just keeps rallying, oh well, I lose $200-300. If I hit it and it works, I'm making 1,000, 2, 3, 4, 5,000. That's what I need you guys to understand. I don't care. It's not about, I don't care if you trade bands. I don't care if you trade RSI, PSI, CPI, whatever. You could trade anything you want. What I need you to understand is risk to reward. If you are risking $100 to make $1, it doesn't matter what you do, my friends. You will always end up negative because it's just math. And that's the things they should be teaching people in school. All right. So that's it, guys. That's it, man. Hopefully, man, this short breaks down for me tomorrow. I'll be real happy, but it doesn't have to. You know, we could have a double inside week. It's very rare. But if it does, I'm going to be looking to buy some puts into next week. Okay, so if we do close double inside week, I'm going to be looking to buy some puts. We'll see. That's it, guys. That's it. As always, check me out, tradingwars.com. I really hope you enjoyed this stream. What I'm teaching you here, guys, is 8 years of my life of just trying to understand and comprehend and build a system that's not hindsight. That is, I trade every day. Sometimes I take 1,000 trades a year. Okay, sometimes I take 1,000 trades a year, guys. I do a lot more trading than I show you because I have different accounts, I have different strategies. But I want to keep it simple, and I want you to learn, all right? And, I definitely share a lot with the people in my Discord, but, it's a community of learning and getting better, and that's all that matters at the end of the day. All right, guys, so please hit me with the like button. Please subscribe. Check me out at tradingwars.com. You can join our room. Tomorrow we're going to be Lotto Friday, so it's going to be a powerful day. Lotto Friday is one of our most powerful days. So you can subscribe right here, or you can grab any one of my 3 books. If you get any one of the 3 books, you get 1 month for free in the Discord. I'm going to post the picks to YouTube, and I'm going to post the picks on Twitter. So make sure you subscribe. Let's do a quick scan here on Trendspider and see if we can find anything that really sticks out. So let's go to the blue raindrop. Nothing that I really like there. Some Nirvanas. Let's look for some Holy Grails. JPM. That's a nice one. Real nice. You can see the last time we had a Holy Grail, big sell-off, and this one was a big rally. So these definitely provide some volatility. EA, used to trade this a lot, but this thing has been just consolidating for such a long time. It's so difficult to trade EA these days. But I'm going to post some pics for you guys, all right? So check me out. And as always, guys, check out the resource page, all right? Please do. I spent a lot of time putting this together. We have the trade of the week. So this was last week's trade of the week. We have our educational videos, our quick guides, a free journal for you to download. All my hookups, Trendspider, 35% off if you want the scans. Or if you're already a customer, just let them know you want to join Trading Wars affiliate, and they'll give you everything for free. All right, golden indicators, add them there. Here's my Thinkorswim scans. Everything here, guys. Check it out. Okay, appreciate you, man. Thank you. I really do appreciate you giving me your time. I can't put that into words because I have so much knowledge that I want to share. It might be right, it might be wrong. It's not for everybody. You know, not everybody can show up every single day and take a trade. Not everybody can stick to a plan. Not everybody can manage their risk. But at the end of the day, if I have people that are listening to me to get better, whether they apply it or not, it makes me feel good. It makes me feel like I'm adding value to my community. And that's really important to me. That's really important to me. Thank you so much for your time, guys. Have a good night. Please comment, like, subscribe, and take care.